the case today. Okay.
Di ba kailangan pa tayo mag-preheat? Or dyan na lang?
Preheat. Saan ba tayo mag-bake? Toast. Silat mas madali dito.
Okay nga, dyan na lang. Kasi,
Wait, mix muna natin. I'd just like to say I had a baking page nung bata ako.
okay.
Chat, is this enough? Wala pala tayong chat.
Wala tayo sa Discord eh. Nag-vlog. Pwede
I'm
tayong...
already sweating.
Mini!
Can we even shape? We can make hearts.
Yun nga. Ano yung mga cup-cups natin?
Does that look like 1 cup?
Yeah.
Or should we add a little bit more?
I'm thinking. Little more kayo.
Okay, let's add a little more.
Ay, wait. Saan ba yung...
Oh.
Ilang, if 1/8 is 1/4, tapos ilang 1/4 para maging 1/2, 2. So, 8.
This is some math type of stuff.
Pwede tayo maglagay ng sprinkles din, no? Yes. Sprinkles tayo. Birthday.
Birthday cake.
Birthday cookie, teddy cake.
Birthday cake flavor!
Ay, sorry!
Oh my god!
Sugar, diba?
Yeah. One of these.
Ba't ang dami sugar?
If this is 1/4.
So, isa nito.
Yeah, one of that, tapos kalahatin yan. Tapos ito, isa nito.
So
I think
much.
we should just half the recipe kasi parang we're not sure. Okay na
1
to.
cup na lang.
Grab the butter just in case. We definitely need more butter. Nalulunod siya in sugar.
Dapat minat natin yung butter.
Wanna microwave it?
Baka ba may microwave kami dito?
Ah, sorry.
Oh my God.
I think we did something wrong. Maybe we should actually follow the recipe. We'll do 1 cup and 1/2 cup of flour. Let me just finish mixing this. Does that look right?
Diba egg is with the flour?
No, we mix wet ingredients
wait
first.
muna. Pero I mean, okay na yan.
Let's just add the vanilla.
Oh.
Does this look right?
Ba't mukhang,
Probably not.
the egg
It looks like
egging.
banana bread.
Mukhang cinnamon.
You know, some people say when you eyeball a recipe, it can turn out good. Sometimes it can.
Pero mga Asians tayo, kaya
We have the Asian eye. I hate myself. Mix that. How much do we put?
sakto yung kaya binigay sa atin. Magano soda.
Maddie, you should have been the one reading it.
Okay.
It's had 1 teaspoon of salt pala.
Sakto talaga sa... Pero, for me, I like salty cookies. Yung saktong salty, hindi yung parang pag kinaan mo may... You're gonna make an expression. It's yummy for me.
Salty cookies? 1/2 teaspoon. Chat, is this right? It doesn't look right. It looks like we're making wheat bread. My little pony, my little pony.
Sabi daw, it's supposed to be another,
Maddie, how much are you making?
baking soda to, te. That's 1/2. Kailangan 1/4, eh. Oh.
Teaspoon!
Teaspoon! Cup!
ganyan mo, ganyan mo, ganyan mo.
So professional.
We have a spatula. Why are we using a spoon?
Malay ko sa'yo! Ang ganda ng view, grabe. Tay naman!
We're not gonna use that anymore.
Hindi, tay naman!
Oh!
Saya!
I didn't see. I thought I scraped it all off.
Definitely.
Daddy, smell it. Daddy,
Wait lang.
smell it.
It's there. Pero parang kulang yung ano, vanilla.
I added so much. Honey, do you just want to drink it?
Pwede na.
Daddy, we did it. Daddy, we did it.
OMG!
Daddy, we did it.
Pero I think marami na yung butter na yung natin.
Who doesn't like butter and
Okay.
cookies?
Ugh!
Daddy, you stew. Okay.
Yan!
Cookies! How do you turn it off?
Yeah, taste
Should we
test.
check?
Yeah.
That's cooked, right?
Yeah. Ako na kakain.
I'll taste this one.
Bon appetit. Cheers.
Wait.
Okay,
Cheers. Top tier chefs.